While it may look very easy entering a pit lane, it is not as easy as it looks. There are many rules and methods as to how a rider enters a pit lane. Not only that, there are many rules inside the pit lane as well. So if you want to know that, continue watching this video. My name is Vikrant Thate from Top Gun India Riding Academy. So in this video, we're going to learn about pit lane. What are certain rules on pit lane? There are certain decorum that you need to follow, and there are certain methods how to exit and enter a pit lane. So we're going to learn about that. Of course, for the graphical representation, we do not have the pit exit, but we'll certainly show you how do you enter a pit lane. So now when you are in your paddocks, when you are moving out to get out of the pit lane, now there is a speed limit, okay, 60 km per hour. You cannot exceed that speed limit. You can of course speed below that speed limit, but you cannot be exceeding 60 km per hour. So when you go out of the pit lane, there are two things. One is a tar surface of dark color. Other is a surface of little lighter color. You will find this in BIC and also in MMRT. You can not do any kind of mechanical work on this tar surface of the pit lane. If you need to do some mechanical or some changes or tuning in your suspension or anything else, you have to come here on the slightly lighter shade of the lane. All mechanical works have to be done here. Nothing to be done on the tar. Now, very important rule is whenever you ride your bike on the pit lane, you have to be fully geared for the races and also for track rides. So, you will have to come out maintaining 60 km per hour maximum. Somewhere here there will be either an official with a flag or there will be lights. If there is red lights, that means the track is not open yet. You have to wait for the red to turn to green. So whenever there is green light or a green flag, you can join the racetrack. When you join the racetrack, there is a white line extending from the racetrack all the way going till maybe till the first corner. Now when you exit the pit lane, you have to make sure that you do not cross that white line. At no cost you can cross the white line. If the race director sees you crossing the white line, then you will be penalized. So you have to be inside of the white line. Wherever it ends, you have to join the racetrack over there. Also, as a rule, you have to look back if any rider is approaching. It could be a track day, like a practice, or it could be qualifying, warm-up. So there have been multiple riders who will be coming in at full speed on the primary straight. So you have to make sure that check for the rider. If a rider is coming, you have to give him way. Only when the riders are clear, then you can join the racetrack. So now we'll learn how do you enter a pit lane. So entering a pit lane, there are multiple scenarios. One are track days where you've just gone to practice on a track. Others are qualifying session or warm-up sessions before the qualifying, practice sessions before the qualifying. So there are multiple scenarios where you can be entering the pits. Very important rule also when to enter pit is when you are extremely tired. Now understand your body. If you feel very tired, there is no point riding the bike. So get into the pit lane, take a break, and then again join the track. You can also enter a pit lane when you feel that when the racetrack is crowded with some slower riders and you need some space between riders. So you can also enter the pit lane, follow the speed limit, just enter and then follow the speed limit and then exit the pit lane. This way you make gap between the other riders or if the track is crowded. Now, of course, when you are riding around the track, you have to show other riders that you want to enter the pit lane. Now, what are the methods of showing the riders that you want to enter the pit lane? One very primarily thing to do is that you have to keep clear of the racing line. As you can see here, the blue line indicates the racing line. You have to keep clear of the racing line. And at least two corners, minimum two corners before you have to tell the rider coming from behind that you are entering the pit lane. And how do you show that? I'm going to tell you. But first thing first, make sure that you do not keep your bike on the racing line. You have to keep the racing line clear. So move away, keep away, follow a little wider track and then keep continuing on that. Now, to show the rider behind that you are entering the pit lane is that you have to raise your left hand up. You have to raise your left hand up at least 2 corners before entering the pit lane. You can either keep it up all the way, or if you feel that you are unable to control the bike, then you can put it down back on the handlebar. But otherwise, keep it up, keeping in mind to keep clear of the racing line. And then 2 corners later, of course, your pit is entering. So let's see what we can do here. So I'm going to try and keep off the racing line. Make sure that any rider is not approaching fast. Keep clear of the race line. Somewhere here I will raise my hand. Of course, here in this graphic I cannot raise here, but I will raise my hand. By keeping clear of the racing line, guys. So racing line is somewhere here. I'm going to keep clear of the racing line. Again, here my left hand will be up. Slow down completely. Keep your hand up. Somewhere here you can come back on your handlebars. And this is the pit lane here. So you enter the pit lane. You can have a certain speed. And when you enter the pit lane, there will be a white line. You see that white line, you have to drop your speed to 60 km per hour. When you enter the pit lane, as you can see, there is the shaded area that I talked about. This is the area where you can do mechanical work on the bike, and this is the area where you can ride the bike. Once you see your paddock, you can either enter your paddock or you continue, like I said, you just want a little gap between the riders. So that is, my friends, how to enter the pit lane. So quickly to summarize, few very important rules of pit lane is one is the speed limit, that is 60 km per hour. At no cost you can exceed that speed limit at the pit lane defined by 2 white lines at the entry point and at the exit point. If you are found exceeding, you will be penalized. Other is shaded areas. The dark shaded area is only when you can ride the bike, you cannot stop the bike over here. And the light shaded grey area where you can stop your bike, do some changes on the bike, and then again join the pit lane. At all costs, at every time you ride your bike in the pit lane, you have to be fully geared. Remember the lights at the exit. If it is red, you cannot join the racetrack. When it turns to green, you can join the racetrack. Remember the white line, you cannot cross that line and join the racetrack. You have to let the line finish. Wherever it finishes, you're clear to join the racetrack. Always look back if any rider is coming. There could be possibility that multiple or one rider is coming very fast, so you have to give him way. For pit lane entry, at least 2 corners before, raise your left hand, leave the racing line and continue riding slow. Once your pit lane is approaching, you can have speed, but if there is a white line there, wherever that white line starts, to drop your speed to 60 km per hour. Either join your paddock or just do a ride on the pit lane and join the track again. So guys, if you have liked this video, please subscribe to us. If you're watching on YouTube, if you're watching on Instagram, do follow us. If you need more riding techniques, you can drop in your questions on our website that is mentioned below, or you can send a direct message on our phone numbers. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you again. Bye-bye.